Hello, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. This comprehensive guide will be your roadmap to mastering CPA marketing, an online marketing strategy with incredible potential. Whether you are an advertiser aiming for cost-effective customer acquisition or a publisher looking for lucrative opportunities, CPA marketing has something to offer for you. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential that CPA marketing holds for you and your business. Let's dive in.
1. Understanding the basics of CPA marketing, an introduction. First, let's understand the basics. CPA stands for cost per action, a model where advertisers pay for specific actions like a sale, a click or a form submission, effectively linking the advertising cost to the results. For publishers, it's a chance to earn from the traffic they can drive to these actions. 2. Key differences: CPA marketing versus other affiliate marketing strategies. Unlike other affiliate marketing strategies where payment is tied to clicks or impressions, in CPA, advertisers pay for specific actions, making it a preferred model for many due to its direct connection to results. 3. The comprehensive guide to choosing profitable CPA offers. Choosing the right CPA offers is crucial for success. Look for offers that align with your audience's interests, have a good payout, and come from reputable advertisers. 4. Maximizing revenue with CPA marketing, effective strategies for publishers. Maximizing revenue in CPA marketing involves more than simply choosing the right offers. Publishers also need to implement effective strategies for promoting these offers and driving conversions. Strategies like traffic analysis, effective ad placement, optimizing for mobile devices, and continuous testing can help publishers maximize their revenue from CPA marketing. 5. Critical success factors in CPA marketing. What you need to know. In the competitive world of CPA marketing, understanding the critical success factors can set you apart and significantly enhance your results. Key success factors in CPA marketing include understanding your audience, choosing the right offers, creating compelling ads, and tracking your results for continuous optimization. 6. The role of tracking in CPA marketing, tools and techniques. Tracking is vital in CPA marketing. Using tools like Google Analytics or dedicated CPA tracking software, you can monitor key metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates, helping you optimize your strategies. 7. Leveraging social media for CPA marketing, tips and tricks. Social media is a powerful tool for CPA marketing. By targeting your audience effectively on platforms they're active on and creating engaging content, you can drive significant traffic to your CPA offers. 8. Minimizing risk in CPA marketing, dealing with fraudulent activities. Fraud is a risk in CPA marketing, but you can mitigate it. Use tools to detect fraudulent clicks or conversions, and always work with reputable networks and advertisers. 9. Mastering the art of CPA marketing, case studies and success stories. Learning from successful CPA campaigns can offer valuable insights. 10. The future of CPA marketing, trends and predictions for 2024. The future of CPA marketing is exciting, with trends like increased use of AI, focus on mobile, and data privacy regulations shaping its course. Stay tuned as we explore these trends in more detail in our future videos. CPA marketing holds immense potential, and mastering it can open doors to significant revenue opportunities. Whether you are an advertiser looking for cost-effective ways to acquire customers or a publisher looking for lucrative opportunities, the world of CPA marketing awaits you. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We have more exciting and insightful videos on CPA marketing and many other business strategies coming up. Hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.